Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today. Still on vacation, so bear with me with my background noise that you hear. I'm in my backyard trading, and yeah, it just sucked for me this whole week. I got 2 day trading days and one video, and I didn't record yesterday's action, but I do have Wednesday's action plus today's action. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Got a green day today. If you hear like background noise, I'm in my backyard recording this video. So, yep, made like $2 a day. And my trading has been terrible this week. Um, just been real bad trading, man. Just not getting out when I'm supposed to, holding on, bag holding, stuff like that, and just being very impatient. I was chasing stocks. So like yesterday, I didn't record it, but I lost. I think I lost about $6 yesterday. But Wednesday I lost $10, 9.44, something like that. And I have that trade here. So here is Wednesday's action. This is a loser. I only took like I think maybe I only traded one stock. I think maybe took like 2 trades. And this is wrong share size as well. So all right. So waiting for the open here. It's pushing up. I'm kind of mad that it's doing this, pushing up before the open. Usually when you do that, you get a dump. Starting to see that. I wish it pulled back before the open. So here, I should have waited for it to wash out to $13. Should be my first trade, but I'm gonna take a little trade now. And the stock is just this is not a good trade. It is not it is just the candle's too small, hasn't really made a significant drop yet to try to take a pullback or a washout. It washed out a little there. That's why I jumped in there, but I probably should have waited till like 13 level, but really the down here around this 1259 level, things gonna wash out down there. Around the VWAP I should have waited for. So jumping in at 1337 is already looking bad. Should be cutting this. Should not be holding on to this long. It's not bouncing. The fact that it's tried to bounce and struggled to get right back to my average on the axe is a bad sign. So act like it wants to go. So that's why I'm holding it like this. But look at the bid. Just look how weak the bid is. Rewind this tape. The bid drops like 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. It doesn't drop like 1 cent at a time. So I thought so right here, look at that little weak attempt push right there. That was a weak push. I should have sold that. That little push it tried to do to get above my average, it should have did it right there. Like look how level 2 is acting. It's acting very heavy, very heavy. It drops like 7 cents, 5 cents, 10 cent spread, 12 cent spread, 13 cent spreads. It's very whipsaw. So I thought I was gonna get the push when it got to 1338. It's just too heavy. This is a heavy stock, man. This is heavy sell pressure, you guys. Tape, slow it up. I should have cut it because look at the 1 minute chart here. It's not a good setup. Wick here, big red long candle. It's gonna dump. So around here, it's gonna crack 13. I should have took my first trade. Yeah, 12.99.94 would have been a good entry to get in there. Boom, instant pop up. So that was just a bad trade, man. I should not. My second ad should have been my first entry. Would have been up nice. So yeah, should have waited. Jumped in the stock way too soon. I'm gonna get a nasty loss because of it. I got 20 shares here too. Look how heavy it's acted. No volume with the tape anymore. It's red and white prints. Got some green, but it's a lot of white prints and a lot of red prints. 1 minute chart don't like a good chart. You kind of can tell when the stock isn't going to bounce because it either holds for like a second, holds for like a little bit, and then it starts reversing, or it holds and it just dumps on you. Like this stock is holding at this level too long. You know, got some bid props, but quickly like took it out. So I took the stock off right there, and I just took it off right there. And I FOMO'd to this trade. It was a bad trade. Jumped in there 5 shares, 13.27. I'm glad I did that. I thought I got out too soon right there. It was going to actually push up, but it never does. So wall at 13.30. Yeah, this week has just been bad for me, but I just could not find my groove. I could not get any good trades this week. I'm gonna show you my trader view stats as well. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not good stats. Yeah. So there goes the dump. And I just took it off right there. I don't know why I'm still recording this, but I took it off right there. See, look at that bounce. See that? Oh, I'm gonna go back to that. See that is gonna see. Look at that VWAP trade. See, look at this little washout here. Now this is a nice washout that I should have took a trade on, but since I got these losses, my mindset's not right, and I want to take trades. Like 1279, 1280 pop. I should have jumped in there at 1280 for this little washout here. 1279, maybe 1280. It washed out. You get a little pop. So I'd have been at 1280, 1286, 1280. I probably try to get a 10-cent pop out of this. Like right now, I'll be trying to sell. So yeah, that should have been my second trade. The VWAP right there. Look at that. Look at that bounce from 1280. It went down a little lower from my average, but that's a nice little VWAP bounce trade there. Little washout. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that trade. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. So again, I jumped in here. I'm gonna jump in here again. I'm trying to play a breakout. Look at the 1 minute. I'm trying to play a breakout over the candle here, and I do get it for a little while, 1329. But there's gonna be a wall here. I think at 1350, it's gonna be a wall. Where was that wall? I mean, it's wall showing up like crazy now. 1340s. Like right now, like, I could have took that off, man. I could have took that off with some profits. I could have. But I'm trying to get like I took it off for $1, but I'm trying. I thought I was gonna break 1350, but it's just too many walls, man. Here, and the stock is heavily. I can say it's heavily manipulated, but I don't like what the level 2 is doing. I don't like that it goes up. Like look at the bids in the ass. It goes like the bids, for example. It goes up. Like I'm up right here. Like it goes up a couple of cents and then it drops 10 cents. Goes up like 3 cents and it drops 12 cents. That's weak. 1338 just dropped 6 cents right there. It's weak. So I should be just trying to get out for some profit right here. I was trying to hold it for the 1350 break. I never got it though. This is weak continuation. Like I should have took that off for some profit. Look at that. I'm up. I was green. No bad. I was green in this trade for a long time. I was green for a long time in this trade. It just did not take anything off. So I don't like that. This is bad trading on my end. Now the volume's drying up. Look at the level 2. I mean, look at the time of sales. Green and white prints. Heavy wall. Like, this stock here is just whipsawy and just don't know what it want to do. So that was my fault that I lost money on this trade. Should have just took that off. Just took it off right there. So I lost $9.44 Wednesday. Like I said, yesterday I think I lost about $6, but for some reason didn't record. So anyway, this is today's action here. So as you can see, let me pause this real quick. As you can see, I didn't capture my first trade. You see down here at BRCC, I jumped in at 1827. Let me just show you guys on right here. So here, BRCC, this is my first trade. Pushed up, started pulling back. It washed out to the VWAP level. I bought in, bounced. I bought in at 1827. Bounced up to about 1845 and actually ripped up a little more than that. I just sold it too soon. Then it pulled back again. I bought in 10 shares at 1796 and it bounced to 1804. So those were two nice little dip trades there that I took on BRCC. For some reason didn't record. I don't know why. But yeah, nice little washout long plays. So let's get back to the rest of the day. All right, so here, this is BKKT. Do I take a trade here? So here I was up like I think I made that BRCC. I made BRCC. Yeah, I made about $2.60. So then for the rest of the day, I just downsized my position. Started taking like 5 shares, 10 shares, and I probably shouldn't have done that because I got like I just got a little sketch about my trading. Like I just got sketched out today. I just wasn't confident in my trading today. So I was like cutting it off. Like I was taking losses, like 2 cent, 3 cent losses, because I didn't want to take a big loss and have a red day today. only for the stock to just reverse and rip as soon as I get out. So now, I can't be scared to take a red day and then post it on YouTube. You know what I mean? It's not like I'm scared to do it. I just don't want to do it. I just don't feel like doing it. But I gotta start. It's not about posting, but I just gotta start holding my stocks to my stop losses. I gotta start like have a stop loss and start obeying it. So I jumped in here, 753, 5 shares. I think I fat fingered this trade actually. One of these trades I'm gonna show you I fat fingered. But getting here at 753, not that bad of an average, but the fact that it's not moving fast enough, and then that I had red days during the week, I did not want to be wrong on this trade, and I did not want to lose. So I think I just cut this off for a small loss or for nothing. See? Yeah, I think I cut this off for like a 3-cent loss. 3-cent loss. See, I don't like how slow this is moving. This is acting heavy to me. This is heavy. We got the VWAP there, but where's the green? Where's the green prints? A little bit there. Got a wall at 755. So, and I saw the wall coming, stuff like that. I think I cut this off. Was 751 lost the bid. Yeah, like see what it's doing? Cut that off. 751 lost the bid. So I lost like 14 cents on that trade. Next trade, KAVL. Like this stock here. So I got sketched out on this trade. This is my last trade for the day. Like I didn't say I got sketched out, but like I didn't trust myself. I did not trust myself on this trade, even though I've seen this pattern before and I've made trades like this in the past. It's just that I didn't trust myself and I did not want to lose. So I get it at a good price. I get it very good. See when the candle does this, like look at the 1-minute chart. When it pulls back like this and you start getting these small candles, it doesn't work all the time, but to me this signifies a reversal, and then it's at the VWAP as well. So I was looking at the 1 minute and I was just playing it off the 1-minute chart. The candles are getting small down here at the VWAP. I like that. So I'm looking for the level 2 to thin out, and it's going to thin out. It's going to do my strategy, everything that I want. I jumped in there at 268, nice price, but I sketched myself out the trade. I just scared myself out. Scare myself out of the trade. See, I thought it was like hidden sellers here. Like, look at all those greens go through, and it hasn't, like, the level 2 keeps refreshing. I don't like that. I don't like seeing that in when I take trades. I don't like seeing that in the price action. And it's a wall at 270 now. And I thought 270 was it. I thought it was going to break here. It's just that you just got to be patient. You just got to be patient. The market is at the place where you need to know when to hold on. Don't be holding on everything, because I got caught in some dumps. But see, I took it off right there. It looks like, look at that. Like, why would you not take it off right there? Like, look at this. Look at this. This is sell pressure. This is look like it's gonna crash. That's why I took this off, man. Look at this. 268 wall. Red tape. But sometimes reading the tape, level 2, that can trick you and manipulate you. Because what it did was, it actually, if I was just reading the chart, I should have saw that all it did was make a lower low, and this is part of the uptrend. Stocks don't go straight up. This is part of the uptrend here. If I'd have drawn like a little trend line here, it didn't break, and then the VWAP's holding. So on this trade here, I should have been trading the chart more than trading the level 2 on time and sales. So, because I got faked out by it. So, yep, I made $2.37 today. Thank you guys for watching. It's Money Games. Let me show you guys my trader view stats real quick. It's pretty horrible. Yeah, look at that. I made $1.50 on that day. I lost $2. That's $2 here. Wednesday's trade, $9.44. $6 on February 10th, and today I made $2.37. Dashboard. Let's go to reports. So like all together, like look at this, man. This is ugly. I don't even want to show this. This is bad stats. I was going a little green streak here, red streak, 3 days, lost 3 days in a row, got it back. Hopefully next week I get some green days. Detailed. Down $40 total in this account. Lost $9. That's my biggest loss. It's $9.44, which was yesterday. So yeah, man, it's not that good. I do like this though. Like my average holding times for my winning trades is larger than my losing time, my losing trades. I hold my winning trades longer, so I like that. But yeah, I got to just clean up my trading, man. But thank you guys for watching.